Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? This is live price prediction of Axie Infinity, and absolutely Axie Infinity will completely go in the moon now, but definitely in last 7 days, Axie Infinity were completely fails down. The price is decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute, and we are very shocked to see this. My friend, and as you can see here in last 7 days, 20.07% the price will decrease now, so it's a very bad news for all of you. But don't worry, my friend, I'm 100% sure to upcoming time there is a chance so they will moving upward and give you a very good profit. So don't miss this chance, please. If you want to get a profit in very short time, I think Axie Infinity is one of the good option now in those days, especially. Otherwise, my friend, a lot of coins were moving upwards sometime, but don't worry, my friend, absolutely he spells down very fastly now. So therefore, Axie Infinity is one of the unique to they will moving, and this circulation, as you can see, very good now. If they were fails down like that, so don't worry, they will absolutely take a very huge jump and recover all the lost. So therefore, I like Axie Infinity, and I recommend all of you, my friends, to if you want to earn money in a very short time. So I think Axie Infinity is one of the very good option now. So my friends, and absolutely you can see here, my friends, the price here, highest target, you can see here, they will hit now 70 USD dollar, and I hope, my friends, today will again hit now 70 USD dollar just in only and 10 days, my friend, in upcoming 10 days. So thanks for watching, holder. Kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.